There's one category of products that no matter how much time passes is always going to be on demand. Over 300,000 babies are born every single day. And trust me when I say parents do not hesitate to spend on their baby's comfort. By the end of 2023, the global baby care market is expected to hit over $77.3 billion. That's a lot of money on baby products. So trust me, right now is the time to start adding these to our dropshipping business. Today, we're going to be covering the top 15 best baby products to add to your dropshipping business. And make sure you stick around all the way to the end because I'm going to give you a little bonus and I'm going to give you a little bit of information on how to source all these products. So enough waiting around, let's get started. What's going on everyone, Mario here with 𝗷𝗶𝗴𝗵, and if you like informative videos on the dropshipping business, make sure to hit that subscribe button to join the 𝗷𝗶𝗴𝗵 dropshipping family. We're all here to support each other and help each other make a couple extra bucks, make some bigger profit, so just make sure to hit that subscribe so you don't miss out. Now, without further ado, let's get to it. Start with the countdown. First up on our list of top 15 best baby products to dropship are baby stroller hooks. Baby stroller hooks make it super convenient to carry around a bunch of different bags with you. And trust me, when you have a baby, your hands are already full enough as it is. Baby stroller hooks are super convenient for parents. It helps them lighten the load, and best part is they come in a bunch of different varieties. They come in a lot of shapes and sizes to be able to fit all the different types of strollers that there are out there. There's even some that you're able to take off the stroller and attach to the table so you can use them when you're dining out. These baby stroller hooks can come in really handy when parents take their kids out for a walk, take them to the park, a theme park, take them to the markets. Parents love these things because it makes their lives a lot easier. Now, going back to what I said earlier about having so many variations to the baby stroller hooks, you always want to make sure that you add at least 20 to 30 different variations so that way you can start testing out the markets accordingly. That way you can see what works, what doesn't, what sells, what's popular, and you get a better idea of what to keep in your store versus what to really not sell. And this doesn't just apply to the baby stroller hooks. You want to be able to have all these variations for pretty much every product that I'm going to list. It's all about testing out the markets and seeing what works best for your particular customers. Coming in at number 2, we have wireless baby video monitors. Parents love to keep an eye on their kids practically 24/7, especially new parents, even when they're sleeping. And that's where the wireless video monitor comes in. These come in a variety, and when I say variety, I mean a lot of different shapes, sizes, and with different features. Some of these video monitors have their own apps or a dedicated screen. Some have the temperature reading feature as well as motion sensors, and others come with multiple cameras or monitors. As you can see, baby monitors do come in a ton of different variations, so make sure you add as much as you can to your dropshipping stores to be able to test the markets and increase your possibilities for profits. Now, before we continue to number 3, I do want to let you all know that I have a cheat sheet with all the items that I'm going to be listing in this countdown. So if you want access, make sure you leave a comment down below requesting it, and I'll leave a link so that way you can get it. Strolling into number 3, we have the soft baby stroller seat pad. These are more than anything for the kids' comfort. They're actually very versatile. Not only can you use them for a stroller, you can also put them on a high chair or a baby car seat. These pads make it comfortable for kids to be sitting for longer periods of time. And as I said before, remember, parents will not spare any expense when it comes to their kids' comfort. Up next at number 4, we have a baby potty trainer with a step. Now, these are great additions to our dropshipping stores because it really does help make the process of potty training a lot easier for both kids and their parents. They also provide a very comfortable and mess-free way to help in the same process. These come in a variety of options that start with standalone potties to attachable toilet seats, some with a step, some with a splash guard. The possibilities for these are endless, so make sure you add as many as you can to your dropshipping store. Up next at number 5, we have the shampoo cups for babies. These are great products to sell because people love these for bath time. These are unique and neat little products that help keep soap out of a baby's eyes. As a parent, I can say that getting soap in a kid's eye during bath time can be a bit dramatic. Kids can be a bit dramatic at times, so to just avoid all that, a shampoo baby cup could be a great addition to any kid's bath time. Also, always include a note in your description or wherever it is stating that it's non-toxic and eco-friendly. Up next at number 6, we have a portable folding baby bed. These are also known as bassinets, and a lot of parents actually prefer them instead of having a crib. They're great because they're super portable, they're easy to move around, you can have it right next to your bed, and you can even travel with them. They're lightweight, easy to assemble, and best of all, they're easy to clean. Coming in at number 7, we have the waterproof diaper bag. Diaper bags to parents, especially new parents, are essential. Now, these come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and different characters on them, such as cute little animals. So that way there's something for everyone. They're super easy to clean and really help you organize a lot of the baby's things when you're on the go. Now, as a quick tip, when you're listing these items, make sure to include that they have lots of pockets, storage, and extra space to be able to hold all your essentials. In our next spot at number 8, we have the baby bed barrier. Baby bed barriers are great because they help keep your kids in bed. A lot of the times when the kids are sleeping, they're tossing and turning and they can potentially fall off the bed and get hurt. These barriers provide a great little barricade to be able to keep them in bed so they stay safe. Now, these come in a variety of shapes and sizes that can be used on or off a bed. For example, there's some that act just as a regular barricade to be able to put on a doorway, so you can limit your kids' access to certain places of the house. Coming in at number 9, we have reusable cloth diapers. A lot of parents prefer a more eco-friendly solution when it comes to changing their kids' diapers, and that's where the reusable diaper can come in. Reusable diapers really are a more environmentally friendly solution, and it really helps parents with not having to worry about either running out of diapers or having to consistently buy new ones. Reusable diapers right now are in extremely high demand for the specific reason that they really do help you save money in the long run. The average parent spends between $150 to $275 a month on diapers. A year, that equals to about $1,800 to $3,300. That's a lot of money. And that's not taking inflation into account. Now, adding inflation, it could be a lot more than that. Now, being carried into our number 10 spot, we have the ergonomic baby carrier. These are extremely popular because as a parent, you always have something to do and your baby always wants to be picked up. These can also be really useful because it helps free up parents' hands so that way they can do whatever they need to get done. Also, they're really comfortable for both the baby and the parent due to their construction. As a quick tip, always make sure to include options that have an extended hood as well as neck support. Neck support is great, especially for newborn babies that don't really have too much neck strength, and the extended hood helps protect them from both the sun and the wind. Up next at number 11, we have baby knee pads. Baby knee pads are a fantastic addition to our dropshipping business because parents love them since it helps protect their kids' knees from accidental scrapes and bruises as a result of either learning to crawl, stand, or walk. It's inevitable. Kids are bound to fall. So this product really gives parents the peace of mind that their kids' knees will be safe and protected. They also come in a bunch of different fun variations, shapes, and sizes with a bunch of different colors and characters. Coming in at number 12, we have newborn baby slippers. Parents love these because it helps keep their newborn baby's feet warm. These come in a lot of different variations, such as bear paws, some look like sharks, some are just regular slippers to keep your feet warm, and some have different characters. They also come in a variety of materials such as cotton, wool, and a mix. Coming in at number 13, we have the baby feeding chair. Baby feeding chairs, or high chairs, are probably one of the more trending and in-demand items in the baby care industry. And this isn't just now, this is practically at all times. Chances are that somebody that's having a baby shower, you're gonna find these in the registry. These come in a variety of shapes and sizes, and you can offer them with a bunch of different features such as magnetic trays, easy to fold, easy to store, and a bunch of different options. Now, quick bonus tip to help you make a bit more profit, always offer these alongside our third option, the universal stroller seat pad. Remember that some of the seat pads are universal and can be used in different applications, such as a high chair. At number 14, we have baby bibs. Baby bibs are always in demand because, let's face it, kids are extremely messy eaters, and bibs keep them clean. Now, due to the fact that they're relatively inexpensive, parents don't just buy one or two of them. They buy a lot. At least me, I didn't just have a few. I had almost a drawer full of them. Now, these come in a lot of different colors, shapes and sizes, materials, and they're really made for kids of all ages. Now, last but certainly not least, in at number 15, we have baby teething beads. The teething period for a baby can be a really tough one, both on parents and especially the baby. Teething can cause a lot of uncomfortable situations for babies, such as sore gums, some skin rashes, and a lot of other things. Now, parents tend to buy a lot of different ones so they can test to see which ones work best for their baby. And as a quick tip, always offer variations that can be filled with water and frozen, mainly because chewing on something cold for a baby that's teething, it's really soothing and it can help calm them. Now, those are some of the best baby products to dropship. Now, as promised, these are some of the best suppliers that you can use to be able to source them. Now, just as a quick note, you don't want to just choose one of these. You always want to go with multiple suppliers. Don't put all of your eggs in one basket. You always want to account for shipping delays, price fluctuations, stock fluctuations. If one supplier runs out, you want to have another supplier readily available so you can make that purchase so your customer doesn't have to wait. First, there's AliExpress. AliExpress has tons of options with affordable prices. They also have international as well as domestic warehouses, so that way you can have quick shipping so your customer doesn't have to wait. Another great option we have is Walmart. Walmart is a fantastic supplier and they have a huge amount of products. They also have extremely fast shipping, sometimes even next day. You're always going to find some sort of deal or discount, and one of the best parts is they have a price match policy. Another great option to source your baby products is CJ Dropshipping. CJ Dropshipping has a massive selection of products. They have both domestic as well as international warehouses, so you're always going to get fast shipping. And they always have some sort of cashback or discount or some sort of deal going on. Now, another great option that you have that's not talked about as often is Wayfair. Wayfair is more geared towards the furniture niche, but they also have a bunch of good options for lighting, kids decor, and even backyard playsets. With all their local warehouses, if you order anything over $49, you get the option for free 2-day shipping. They also have this thing called the 𝗵𝗶𝗴𝗵 program where it offers free shipping on all online orders, and you even have the option to do same-day shipping on some orders. Now, last in our list of suppliers is Costco. Costco has a lot of local warehouses. They offer free shipping, and best of all, they have a 90-day return policy. So if you buy something and you have an issue with it within those 90 days, you can return it without a problem. Additionally, Costco probably has some of the best customer service that you're going to encounter. Now, with all these different options and suppliers, it can get really tough and time consuming to start importing all of the products that you want to add, especially if you're adding a bunch of different variations. If you're really looking to start scaling your business, adding all the products with minimal effort and saving time overall, then you and your business can really benefit from dropshipping automation. There's a lot of tools out there to help speed up the scaling process, but if you're looking to really scale your business to the next level, using a specialized software like AutoDS can really help you do that. AutoDS has a lot of tools to really simplify your dropshipping business, and one of them includes the product import tool. The product import tool makes it super easy to either import just one item or an entire list of items. You also have active monitoring of your supplier's stock, so that way you can see how much stock they actually have, if they're running low, or even if their price starts to fluctuate. Another thing that you have is automatic price optimization. Depending on how well a product is selling, the price optimization will either increase or decrease the price of the product to help sell it faster or to make a bit more money. Now, AutoDS has a bunch of other things to really help make your dropshipping business a lot more streamlined, but let me show you just one thing. Let me show you how to import a product super easy. Let's say I want to add this baby bib to my dropshipping store. The process is super simple. First thing we're going to do is click on over the link, copy it, and then we're going to head to our AutoDS dashboard. From here, we're going to go on to add products, and we're going to either choose a single product or multiple products. So I only have one, so I'm going to hit on single product, and under the URL, I'm going to go ahead and paste the link. Notice how under the supplier source, it changed from AliExpress to CJ Dropshipping. Now we have the option to either publish to the store or edit now. My recommendation is to edit now so you can optimize your listing. Let's click on edit now. And now here you have all of the listing details to be able to edit and optimize. As you can see, AutoDS really makes the process of importing products a lot easier for you and a lot less time consuming. There's also a lot of other features that can really help you start to streamline and scale your business a lot further. Now with that, we have reached the end of this video. Huge thank you to everyone for being here. I wish all of you nothing but success in your dropshipping business. If you found this video informational and useful, please make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future videos, and smash that like button. Once again, thanks to all of you for being here, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Bye.